Hi, welcome to another episode on Lujudo channel. In today's episode, we will be unlocking the mystery behind Bitcoin, revealing the secret that makes Bitcoin the king of digital currency, from its decentralized structure to cryptographic prowess and proof-of-work consensus mechanism. Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency stored in a computer's memory. At the later part of this video, we will also share some tips on how one can make money from this beautiful software given to humanity by Satoshi Nakamoto. Stay back, relax, and let's dive into unlocking the interesting mystery of Bitcoin. If you love the content of this video, do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. In a simple term, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency that exists only in electronic form. That is, you can't hold it nor touch it with your physical hand, unlike the internet that is built on TCP or IP protocol. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network using blockchain technology, securing transactions through cryptography. Bitcoin is not controlled by any central authority, and it's offering a transparent and tamper-resistant way to exchange value globally. Evolution of digital currency. Before the birth of Bitcoin, several attempts were made to create digital currency, but they faced challenges. In the 1980s, David Chaum introduced DigiCash, an electronic cash system which struggled due to regulatory issues. In the 1990s, companies like eGold and Liberty Reserve emerged, but they faced legal scrutiny and were eventually shut down. The idea of decentralized digital currency gained traction with projects like B-Money, Why We Die, A Bit Gold by Nick Szabo in the late 1990s and early 2000s, but these remain theoretical concepts. The breakthrough came in 2008 when an individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin in a white paper. Nakamoto's design solved the double spending problem without the need for a central authority, paving the way for the creation of a decentralized and trustless design digital currency, which was officially launched in 2009. What makes Bitcoin work? Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, functioning as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. At its core, the technology behind Bitcoin is driven by a combination of blockchain, cryptographic principle, and a consensus mechanism known as proof of work. Bitcoin technology. The backbone of Bitcoin is its blockchain, a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers, which is called node. Each block in the blockchain contains a list of transactions, and these blocks are linked together using cryptographic hash. This decentralized nature ensures that no single entity has control over the entire network, preventing centralized and reducing vulnerability to attack. Cryptographic security. Cryptography plays a crucial role in securing Bitcoin transactions. Each participant in the network has a pair of cryptographic keys, a public key known to the others, and a private key kept secret. When someone initiates a Bitcoin transaction, they sign in with their private key, providing mathematical proof that the transaction comes from the owner of the wallet. This ensures the integrity and authenticity of transaction. Proof of work. Bitcoin relies on consensus mechanism called proof of work. To validate and add transaction to the blockchain, miners participate in the network with powerful computing hardware, complete to solve complex mathematical puzzle. The first miner to solve the puzzle broadcasts the solution to the network for verification. Once verified, the new block is added to the blockchain, and successful miner is rewarded with newly created Bitcoin. This process not only secures transaction but also controls the insurance of a new Bitcoin. Decentralized network. Bitcoin's strength lies in its decentralized network of nodes, where no single entity has control over it. Nodes remain a copy of the entire blockchain, independently verifying and validating transactions. This decentralization enhances security by eliminating a central point of failure or control. Immutable transaction. Once a block is added to the Bitcoin blockchain, altering or tampering with past transactions becomes extremely challenging. The cryptographic link between block and the decentralized nature of the network make it computationally infeasible for anyone to change historical transaction data. In essence, Bitcoin operates as a transparent, tamper-resistant, and decentralized digital currency system. Its success hinges on a delicate balance of technology components, creating a robust and secured financial transaction that has fundamentally shaping our understanding of money and transaction. Simple economics on how to make money from Bitcoin. The interplay between demand and supply is a fundamental economic principle that shapes markets across various industries, and Bitcoin is not an exemption. Demand represents consumer willing and ability to purchase goods or service is a key determinant of price fluctuation. As demand rises, so does the price, and vice versa. When demand for a product increases, supply often find themselves grappling to meet this surge. This heightening demand creates a sense of scarcity, triggering suppliers to adjust price upward due to the increased value placed on the item. In essence, this basic economic law of supply and demand dictates that as demand outstrips supply, price will naturally rise. As Bitcoin awareness becomes mainstream and more people understand this technology and invest in it, the price of Bitcoin will likely continue to rise. Bitcoin price fluctuates due to various factors, including Bitcoin halving that occurs every 4 years, global events like war and natural disaster, competition from altcoin, technological development, market sentiment, regulation, and legal development, as well as supply and demand dynamics. During this fluctuation, buying when the price drops and selling when it rises can lead to profit. The difference between the buying price and the selling price represents your profit. However, it is important to note that this approach is a simplified way to make money from Bitcoin. Profit strategy on investing in Bitcoin. The simplest way to make money from Bitcoin is by buying and holding it as an investment. This strategy involves purchasing Bitcoin and holding onto it for an extended period with the expectation that the value will increase over time. When the price of Bitcoin rises, you can sell your holding for a profit. The difference between buying price and selling price is your profit. Remember, do your own study before buying, as I am not a financial advisor. So, where can one purchase a Bitcoin? The first and easiest place to buy your first Bitcoin is through your smartphone by logging to your Google App Store or Apple App Store and download a wallet app of any of these cryptocurrency exchange platforms like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, OKX, KuCoin, Luno, and Bitfinex. Allows you to buy Bitcoin using fiat currency such as USD or other cryptocurrency. 2. Peer-to-peer marketplace. Websites like Local Bitcoin and Paxful connect buyers and sellers directly, facilitating transactions through escrow service. 3. Bitcoin ATM. Bitcoin ATMs are physical machines that allows you to buy Bitcoin with cash. They are located in various public places such as malls and convenience stores. 4. Over-the-counter desk. Some ledger investors or institutions prefer to buy Bitcoin through over-the-counter desk, which facilitates large trade off the public exchange. Brokerage platform. Certain brokerage platforms such as Robinhood and eToro offer Bitcoin trading service along traditional finances assets. Conclusion. In conclusion, delving into the realm of Bitcoin unveils the world of technological marvel and financial innovation. Through the exploration of this decentralized structure, cryptographic foundation and consensus mechanism, we uncover the secret that underpins its resilience as value. Bitcoin journey from theoretical concept to a revolutionary digital currency. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, understanding that Bitcoin opened doors to a new possibilities of opportunity, whether as a store of value or as a medium of exchange. Bitcoin enduring mystery continues to captivate and inspire, shaping the future of finance and technology in ways yet to be fully realized. If you love the content of this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more educative content. My name is Phillips. See you in the next video.